Not all kids love sports, and you know what? It is all good. If they enjoy computers, then they're gonna love this computer programming class that teaches them coding. Let's check it out.
Children are our future, and technology is also our future, and so it makes perfect sense to send them to a place like Rex Programming, where they can learn how to code, build drones, and also make robots. Yeah, you heard me, make robots. Let's go check it out. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
What is going on over here? Whoa! There's drones everywhere. Who's flying the drone?
It's one of our students learning to program and fly the drone.
So you fly drones here. What else do you do here?
We teach kids mainly programming skills to create games, animations, websites, mobile apps, and some professional programming languages. This is a robot. One of our 4th grader built this robot.
A 4th grader created this.
Yes.
I'm in my 30s and I don't know if I can create this.
And they learn about all the sensors and everything, and they program the robot to do stuff.
So really what you're doing is you're teaching kids how to become the next evolution of the workforce and creating all these programs.
Right, it's very critical for this generation. It's as important as learning to read and write. Like coding or programming is like a new language. The younger they are, the better it is.
Mm-hmm. So what ages are you starting these programs?
We teach from kindergarten and above, and we have 4 different kind of programs: junior engineering, junior programming, upper programming, and upper engineering.
Okay.
So depending on the age group, we put them in certain specific class, and they always start off with something fun. And we also touch on all aspects of computer science like AI, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data analytics. It's always fun.
Kids learn, but yet they enjoy themselves while they're here.
We have from 5 to 18 years old. It just depends on the kids and how they come in. If they're more up to par to do upper programming as they are lower programming, then that's where we're going to start them.
We are partnering with some nonprofits here in Dallas, and we'd love to have the opportunity to have some businesses help us to underwrite some scholarships, after-school programs, just a way to bring programming and engineering and the fun Legos and the drones to more and more kids.
Look at that. Well, if you are in the Texas area and you are at all even interested in programming, you have to get down here and learn. This is the future of the industry. Perfect. I'm gonna go fix this.